Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT from Binance to Exmo in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds smoothly and securely. Why do this? USDT is a stablecoin that's great for quick transfers between exchanges, and with crypto evolving fast, knowing the latest methods is key. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Exmo, and that your accounts are verified. It's crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section, usually found in the top menu. From there, click on Withdraw to open the withdrawal page. Next, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. This is important because you'll need to choose the right network. Options like TRC20 or ERC20 depend on what Exmo supports, so double-check that to minimize fees and ensure compatibility. For 2025, Binance might have updated interfaces, but the basics stay the same. Now, enter your Exmo wallet address. This is the address from your Exmo account. Copy it carefully to avoid any errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, input the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so factor those in. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm, and complete any two-factor authentication if required. Binance will process the withdrawal, which could take a few minutes to an hour depending on the network. Once it's done, log into your Exmo account and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip: always use a secure connection and enable withdrawal whitelists on Binance for added protection. There you have it, folks. That's how you withdraw USDT from Binance to Exmo in 2025. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.